What is the difference between these two Russian phrases? Мне нравится and я люблю. In English, you can easily say I loved this new movie. But if you say in Russian я любил этот новый фильм, it sounds really weird and it's actually incorrect. My name is Alina, I'm a Russian teacher, and today I'm gonna teach you everything about these two expressions. Мне нравится and я люблю. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, to like this video, and leave a comment if you want to speak Russian fluently. What is the main difference between these two words? The verb любить, love, is obviously deeper. It's more about your profound feeling. And нравится, that's more superficial. You know perfectly the difference between two expressions. I love you and I like you. It'll be the same in Russian. For I love you, we use the verb любить. Я люблю тебя. And if you need to say I like you, it'll be ты мне нравишься. Ты мне нравишься. But in Russian, that's not all. We have more to know about these two verbs. You cannot use the verb love, любить, for something that you've done, seen, heard, read for the first time in your life. It'll be always the verb нравится. For example, мне понравился новый фильм. Мне понравилось бегать по утрам. Мне понравилась книга, которую я только что прочитала. All these things you've experienced for the first time. For example, about running in the morning. Imagine that you went for a walk for the first time in the morning and you really liked it. But you didn't love it. I mean, in English you could love it if it was really big feeling. But in Russian we cannot say that. We will always say мне понравилось. Or if you really liked it, you would say мне очень понравилось. But you never say любить. Я любил. But if you talk about something that you do constantly, that you're really familiar with, then you can use the word любить. For example, я люблю книги Достоевского. Я люблю бегать по утрам. In this case, you love it because you're doing it constantly. And also, я люблю сериал «Офис». So here you see you're talking or about your favorite things, like TV show, or in general, книги Достоевского, or about some activity that you're doing constantly. When we talk about food, it's pretty similar. In general, when you really like or love something, when you're a fan of some food, you will use the word любить. Я люблю мясо, моя сестра любит молоко, дети любят мороженое. So, in general. And нравится here you will use in more specific situations. This time you didn't like something or you liked it. For example, мне не понравился этот стейк. Он был слишком сухой. So in general, you love steaks. Я люблю стейки. But this time in this restaurant it wasn't good. So that's why we say мне не понравился. As you could notice, even grammatically, these two phrases, they are different. Я люблю is a normal construction, is a regular verb that is personal. But when we say мне нравится, it's impersonal. Which means that мне нравится we don't really control. So it's not our decision to like something or do not like something, it just happens. That's how our impersonal verbs work. I have a big video about this verb to like, so you can watch it if you missed it, and you will know how this verb works, because it's much more complicated than the normal verb я люблю and любить. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. I hope it was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and learn Russian with me.